Kaspersky Security Centre 9 builds upon our reputation of providing clear, relevant reporting. It is crucial that your security console works for you, presenting the up-to-date facts when and where you need them. Today I'll be looking at some of the reporting aspects of the Security Centre. Firstly, we have the Reports and Notifications dashboard. Within here we have certain pages. Each of these pages shows differing information about the security of the network. Within the pages we have information panels. These can be administered and changed as per your wishes. The really good thing about these panels and these pages is not only the fact to present this information in as much real time as possible, but also to give you the ability to act on them. So here we see there's one machine that's classed as critical. If I click on this link, it runs a report and shows me all of the machines that are critical. This machine seems to be critical as it's not scanned for a long time. I can right click the machine, all tasks, run a task, and in this instance run a full scan task to turn that machine from red to green and make it compliant. One other advantage to the reporting mechanisms of the Security Centre are the more traditional based reports down here on the left hand side. So for instance, if I click into the web control report, it runs and shows me all the machines that are being blocked due to certain rules within the web control element of Endpoint Security 8. So here we have a block rule in place for Leon Turner blocking Facebook. These reports can be administered in a similar fashion in as far as you can go in and change the properties of them, change the columns, etc. so that they're sorted in accordance to your wishes. Not only that, but if there is a particular report that you like and you need to have this sent out to you, this is easily achieved. If I right click on report and choose send reports, this will start an auto send task. I can choose additional reports that I may wish to be sent out to me as well. We can select the format of the report such as HTML, XML or PDF. And by default this report will be sent to me via email using the default email notification settings that are set up when you install the Security Centre. I can also set up a schedule as to how frequently this report runs and is delivered to me. Weekly, Sunday at 6 o'clock will be just fine. Once this report is finished, it resides within the Administration Server Task console here within the Security Centre. I can go into this and edit the settings if I so wish. Finally, the last piece of reporting information that I like to talk about is setting up notifications. The Security Centre does register a whole host of events back in from the endpoint machines. These events are classed as critical events, errors, warning events, and informational. Much of this data you're not going to need to be concerned with. A lot of the Kaspersky operations are automated. However, there may well be certain critical events that you want to keep your eye on. Probably infected object detected, for instance. If I go to the properties for this, I can easily set up an email notification on the registration of this event. We can see that it will say that an event happened on a computer in a domain at a certain time and give a description of that event. You can see I've already set up an email notification if disinfection is impossible, for instance. Yet again, this is a way of automating this information, making sure that the Security Centre is working for you and prompting you when things need addressing. That really concludes the brief demonstration of the reporting aspects of the Security Centre. Clear indications as to what needs to be acted upon on the estate, leaving you freer time to deal with other tasks. Thank you.